to this episode. Today, we're diving into how organizations can use AI in their software development lifecycle, not just as experiments or isolated tools, but as a clear, systematic strategy.
Yeah, it's interesting because so many teams want AI everywhere. Requirements, design, coding, testing, deployment, monitoring. But when you just ask, where should we use AI, you get this huge list of possibilities.
Right, and that's the problem. Strategy isn't about making a long list. It's about prioritizing where I can really make the biggest difference, especially when resources and time are limited.
Exactly. So the first step is to understand where your biggest pain points are. That's where the friction heat map comes in. You score each stage of your development process on three things: time delay, defect density, and decision uncertainty.
So, for example, testing might have the highest delay and defect scores, while requirements might have the most uncertainty in decisions. This heat map helps focus AI efforts vertically on the biggest friction points instead of spreading thin.
And then comes the ask step, where you don't just ask AI for ideas, but you ask it to rank intervention points based on productivity gain, quality improvement, and implementation complexity.
Yeah, that's where the Impact Complexity Matrix tool shines. It helps you pick pilots that offer measurable ROI within, say, 90 days. Like AI-assisted test case generation might be high impact but medium complexity, while requirement ambiguity detection could be high leverage and low complexity.
I like that because it turns big ambitions into manageable steps. Instead of chasing every shiny AI idea, you sequence pilots intelligently.
But here's the kicker. I can analyze and simulate, but it can't judge if your organization is ready or handle political resistance. That's where human judgment is essential.
Right? You have to pick one pilot, define success metrics, contain the risk, and measure results before scaling. Deploying AI everywhere at once just amplifies chaos.
So the responsibility anchor is key. AI expands your options, but you're responsible for measurement, change management, ethics, and long-term maintainability.
Before we wrap up, a quick question for listeners. Which stage in your software development process causes the most friction? And are you prioritizing high-impact AI use or just chasing visibility?
Good questions. To sum up, AI expands options. Judgment selects direction. And that direction? Well, that's yours.
Exactly. Thoughtful, deliberate action beats chasing every AI trend. That's the real strategy.
Thanks for listening.